Hey Haven family, welcome back to your cozy corner of garden wisdom. Today we're diving into growing chilies, those spicy little gems that add warmth to both our gardens and our meals. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's create some heat together. Choosing your varieties. Before diving into planting, let's find the perfect chili variety for your taste and growing conditions. From mild poblanos to scorching hot Carolina Reapers, each variety offers unique flavors and growing requirements. For beginners, start with sturdy varieties like jalapenos, Hungarian wax, or cayenne peppers. These provide reliable harvests and moderate heat levels perfect for learning the ropes. Starting from seeds. Begin your chili journey 8 to 10 weeks before your last frost date. These slow-growing plants need an early start to reach their full potential. Sow seeds in well-draining seed-starting mix, barely covering them with soil. Maintain temperatures between 70 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, or 21 to 29 degrees Celsius, for optimal germination. Use a heat mat if needed. Warm soil is crucial for successful germination. Light requirements. Chilies are sun worshippers demanding at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. For indoor seedlings, provide strong grow lights positioned 2 to 3 inches above the plants to prevent leggy growth. As they mature, gradual hardening off prepares them for outdoor conditions. South-facing windows or greenhouse spaces are ideal for year-round growing. Perfect growing medium. These peppers thrive in rich, well-draining soil with plenty of organic matter. Create the ideal growing medium by mixing quality potting soil with compost and perlite. Maintain a slightly acidic to neutral pH between 6.0 and 7.0. For container growing, ensure pots have adequate drainage holes and are at least 3 gallons in capacity. Temperature management. Chilies love warmth. Think tropical conditions. Maintain daytime temperatures between 70 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, or 21 to 29 degrees Celsius, and nighttime temperatures no lower than 60 degrees Fahrenheit, or 15 degrees Celsius. Cold stress can stunt growth and reduce fruit production. In cooler climates, consider using row covers or growing in containers that can be moved indoors when needed. Watering wisdom. Consistent moisture is key, but chilies hate wet feet. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry, then allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Reduce watering as fruits begin to ripen. This stress actually increases their heat levels. Mulch around plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Feeding schedule. Start with a balanced fertilizer during the vegetative stage, then switch to one higher in phosphorus and potassium when flowering begins. Too much nitrogen produces lush foliage but fewer fruits. Feed every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, and always water thoroughly after fertilizing to prevent root burn. Pruning for production. Regular pruning encourages bushier growth and better fruit production. Remove the first few flower buds to help establish stronger plants. Pinch off growing tips to promote branching, and remove any leaves touching the soil to prevent disease spread. For indoor plants, maintain good air circulation by selective pruning. Support systems. While not all chilies need support, larger varieties benefit from staking or caging. Install supports at planting time to avoid root damage later. As fruits develop, branches can become heavy and prone to breaking. Simple bamboo stakes or tomato cages work perfectly for most varieties. Pest prevention. Watch for common pests like aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies. Inspect plants regularly, focusing on leaf undersides where pests often hide. Encourage beneficial insects by planting companion flowers nearby. Neem oil or insecticidal soap provides effective organic control when needed. Disease management. Prevent common diseases through proper spacing and air circulation. Avoid overhead watering to keep leaves dry and remove any diseased foliage promptly. Common issues include blossom end rot caused by calcium deficiency and bacterial leaf spot. Crop rotation helps prevent soil-borne diseases. Harvesting tips. Harvest chilies when they reach full size and desired color. Green chilies are less hot than fully ripened ones. Use clean, sharp scissors to cut fruits from plants, leaving a small stem attached. Regular harvesting encourages continued production throughout the season. Storage solutions. Store fresh chilies in paper bags in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. For long-term storage, try drying, freezing, or making hot sauce. Remember to wear gloves when handling hot varieties. Those oils can linger on skin for hours. That's all for today's guide on growing chilies, Haven family. Drop a comment below sharing your favorite varieties to grow, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Whether you're growing mild bells or face-melting super hots, remember that patience and consistent care lead to the spiciest success. See you in the next video.